It's a 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 2500 HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, configurable instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Dave Sinclair Buick GMC, our customer service speaks for itself. Visit today. We're conveniently located at 5655 South Lindbergh Boulevard in St. Louis.